I don't know who this video may concern, but if you are into making money on the internet, then this video is basically going to help you. Why do I say so? Because on the internet, what everybody is searching for is to how to make money on the internet, and that involves you making good interaction with your audience. Now, if you have a good audience and you start making money with them, it helps you to grow your financial very well. Now, in this particular video, I'm actually going to share with you a strategy which will help you to maintain your audience or to maintain your customers whenever you provide services to them. In that way, what I'm actually introducing to you is what we call the sales funnel. All right. Now, on the screen right now here, we have this particular website which is called the systemio.com. The systemio.com. Now, this is a website most people have been using out there, and it's actually helping them. So if you're into ad networking, if you're into marketing or anything digital marketing or anything which concerns you getting an audience for whatever you want to do or getting members or customers for whatever you want to do, then this right video is for you. Now, what do you actually mean by your sales funnel? So, with the sales funnel, it's just like a roadmap for your audience. So, with it, it actually helps you to track your earnings, to know what actually you are doing, to check your or increase your conversion. It also build stronger relationship between you and your audience, organize the buyer's journey, and a lot. So, in case you actually want to promote your ad network or you want to sell a particular product to people out there, you might just try it for once, but you might at times need these customers or this audience moreover, or as times goes on, you might actually need them in the future. So what you're actually going to do is to just go ahead and do what you call the sales funnel. In that way, you'll be able to gather all of your customers. In the nearby future, you can still promote your offers to them. That is what we are actually trying to mean right here. Now, on this particular website, which is systemio.com, what it does different is that it is actually one-in-one platform, which actually helps entrepreneurs build and accumulate or automate many of their digital marketing tools in a single place. So just a single place, but it have a lot of features I bet you don't know. So in this particular video, this is a first tutorial on everything about systemio.com. So what I'm actually going to take you through here is the first thing here is how you can create a sales funnel for yourself, and then which will be a builder and make everything very super and simple for you. And also, I'm actually going to show you with you the sending of marketing emails. So assuming you have plenty emails, with the help of your sales funnel, you'll be having a lot of emails, thousands of emails, people who will be subscribing to your offers. You'll be gathering their emails in this particular website. So whenever you want to add or want to send any emails or promote your offer, your digital products, or you want to promote your ad network, you might actually reach out to them by sending marketing email strategy. All right. In this same video, I'm actually going to help you build a website for yourself. So you'll be able to help build your own website on this particular platform. And then also you can manage your own affiliates. Yeah, you can build an army of affiliates to sell for you. So you manage your affiliate link and payout in all the simple or the same place. So this is actually a cool platform. You can also create your online courses. This is so amazing, guys. So check this out. I'm actually going to take you through everything you have to know with this cool platform. Now, if I scroll down, you can also automate your own marketing. So with everything you need in the same place, your business will grow faster with minimum effort. So you have to save time and energy by automating your own market. So the only tool you need to launch your online business is right here, which is the Systemio IO. This is very cool. So I'll actually take you through everything you need in order for you to be a good online making or a good online making person. All right. So what you're actually gonna do here is just click on the start for free now. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's actually going to tell you to get started for free. You input in your email here, and then you continue with the same process. Of course, signing account, it's very easy for you to do this. All right. So once you're done, I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log in and show you guys how it works. All right. So this is my account right now here most of the time for my videos. Now, if I come to the page says upgrade, this you have a plans in, all right. Sometimes you have to pay, but that is the free version of it. So you can use the free version of it to do all your works. All right, so you can use the free version to do, let's say, most of your rigs. And actually, I'm not going to say all of your rig, but then most of your rigs. You also have the dashboard here. It can help you to take good control of your main dashboard, your affiliate dashboard, and also a student dashboard. This is so amazing, right? You have the CRM, which is the contacts, tags, pipelines, and the calendar. You also have your site, which is the sales funnel, the digital store, the blogs, the emails to actually work, because the newsletters, campaigns, statistics, and automations you build. Automations, you have the rules, you also have the workflow, the assets, the physical product, the coupon, courses, community files, and then the other transactions, subscriptions, and other necessary information you might actually need right here. Now, I'm actually going to take you through everything you have to know in this particular video. All right. So I'm actually going to take you through everything you have to know in this particular video. But what we're actually focusing in this particular video is what you call the sales funnel. So with the help of the sales funnel, you'll be able to gather a lot of people, or you'll be able to gather a lot of emails in order for you to send your product or your digital products, your ad networks to them in the nearby future. Now, how do we create a sales funnel? Now, it's very simple. What you need to do is just come to where it says sites. All right. Now you can see there are three indicators here, which is the sales funnel, the digital store, and the blogs. So what you're actually gonna do here is just click on the sales funnel. Right now, once I click on the sales funnel, it's actually gonna load and give me this particular one. Currently, I have three funnels which are running for me. So once you open your account, you might actually not have this whole screen here because it's new for them. It's actually gonna tell you don't have any funnel here. So what you need to do is just go to the create aspect and click on the create. Now, before I click on the create, if you're really enjoying this particular video, what you need to do is just go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order for you to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing video like this. Moreover, you can join the WhatsApp and the Telegram group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. Just join me out there and let's proceed with this particular video. Now, once you're done, just click on the create and it's going to open something like this for you. Now, it says create funnel. You have your name, your funnel domain, choose your funnel goal and your currency. Now, what is the name of your funnel? What are you actually going to use this funnel for? So let's say my digital product. Let me say um digital product. All right. So I'll just go ahead and digital products. Now, once you type in digital product, let's say your funnel domain, mostly automatically it fills for you with the email that you used it to sign in with account. Automatically, that emails appear at where it says your funnel domain. So either you have different domain, you have a domain that you've already buy out there, you can insert it out here, or if you don't have, you can use the same emails domain to continue with whatever you're doing. Now it says choose a funnel go. What is the aim of you creating this funnel? That's the big question. So the aim of this particular funnel, if you want to build an audience, then you are actually collecting emails address and build your email list. So that's what we are interested for right now. So what we are interested for right now is we are collecting different emails. We are actually sharing our this funnel with people. So once they sign in or input in their email, we are actually going to save their email in this particular website. So in the nearby future, we can still send our digital product or our ad network links to these people. That's what you actually refer to as the build an audience. But if you're not interested in building an audience and you want to actually sell your products, you can use the sell option, which is sell a product or a services, which is actually a cool feature too. You can try it out there. Now you have a custom build a custom funnel from scratch. So I don't know how you actually want your funnel to look like. So once you create on the custom one, you'll be able to create everything for yourself, the boxes, everything will be yours. Like you'll be creating it all for yourself. And you also have the last one, which is run an evergreen webinar, which you have to run evergreen webinar to automate your own business. All right, that's how this four actually means. So what you need to do is just choose any of these that you want to go in for, depending on what you're actually gonna use it. All right, so where it says the currency, make sure you actually select the currency which will fit in whatever you're promoting or how you want to receive your payment if you are selling a product or whatever you're doing. So in this case, like say I want to use dollar. All right, dollar as my currency. I want to use the US dollar. All right, and just click on save right here. Now you can see digital product has been created for me. Now whilst making this particular video, I got to realize that if you're actually using a free plan on this particular platform, you only have about 4 chances of creating a funnel, because the limited aspects or the unlimited aspect is for you to pay. All right, so you can see that in the previous one I was already having some funnels here, but then this has been a new page for me, all right, because I just log in with different accounts. All right, so make sure that if you want to use it fairly, you have to create or pay for this subscription here. All right, now once you have it like this is what you're actually going to do. Now click on the digital products here. All right, once you click on it, these are some of the templates that you're actually going to. So let me try to open it. These are some of the templates you're actually going to do. Now let's look at something here. Let's click on preview a template. Now this is how it's actually going to look. So whilst people fill in their emails, you'll be collecting their emails in this particular website. So whenever you actually want to send offers or you actually want to promote your brand in the future, then you can still go ahead and refer to the email that we've been collecting based on this format. All right, so here once you come to this aspect, you have the option of thank you page and the option in page. Now you can go ahead and select any of these templates that you prefer and just make an adjustment to it. Now in case I want this particular one, what I'm actually gonna do is just click on select. Now once you click on select, it will give you an option to edit your page, as you can see here. All right, so if you want to edit your page, you can go ahead and edit your page based on whatever you want to use the page for. So let's say I want to take off this whole volunteer in your community. I want to take it off. I'll just click on it and delete it out from the page, because maybe I might not need it. I want to insert in different thing. Now check this one out. Maybe I want to take this one off. I'll take it off, but I'll still remain my email address there, because that's where people are going to fill in their emails for me to take the records, so that in the near future I can still go ahead and use it. All right, once you scroll down, you can see a lot of things that you might not need. So let's say I don't need this particular picture. I'll just go ahead and delete it and fit in with whatever I want to fit in. Now I have text here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to text in or type in whatever you want to type, and just take that particular text to any place or any format you want it. You have the headlines, the bulleted, you have the image. Like say you want some picture, you want to insert it in, so that people will be seeing it and see it very catchy. You can go ahead and do that. You have the videos, which will also help you to make your work very, very unique. The audios and a lot. All right, so once you scroll down, you can see social media buttons and other stuff that you can insert it in this particular homepage here, so that whatever you're doing, you will definitely see or be seen as a unique thing. So once people tap in, they can go ahead and fill their emails. So if you have about 5,000 emails, it's not bad for you to make money on the internet, because you getting 5,000 emails and you'll be selling your product or sharing your offers with them. They will definitely get engaged to each and every single time. This is so amazing, guys. So just as I just go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, leave a nice comment as this video proceed. Now once you have their emails, there is this strategy which I would love to share with you in my next video. But how will I know this video is actually going to help me as I'm actually going to post it? So if this video actually gets a good views and likes and everything moves successfully, my next video is actually going to talk about the automation rule. The automation rule have to do with in case you actually want to send an email to someone. Let's say you're actually selling your product, but you want to let the person feel like you actually sending the email to that person directly by mentioning his or addressing the person's name. So you can go ahead and address the person. Hello, Dalek. Hello, hello, Ellen. Hello, whatever. You can use the person's name. All right. So the person will be feel very. There are a lot of this automation rule. There are a lot of things you have to know there actually. All right. So what you need to do, just go ahead and share this video with your friends. And then I think this video is getting longer. So just catch me in my next tutorial on this systemio.io.com. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to join me in my WhatsApp and one Telegram group, and I hope to see you in my next video.